Hey there, Damien here. If you've got this video, it's because you registered to watch the ADF and Veterans Property webinar. Most of us who join the military, we all come from working class families where there's not a lot of education about money and we don't think about things the right way. So in the webinar, I'm going to teach you a few things like how the wealthy think and then what they teach their kids that perhaps your parents didn't teach you. They're going to talk about the property game. Why is it that some people on the same salary end up with 10 properties and then others end up with one? There are people in the Defence Force right now who are multi-millionaires because they've been quietly building property portfolios. They know the rules of this game and they've been doing it on the side. And they might be people who are in the same rank and trade as you. And then we're going to talk about your ADF housing entitlements. Now, believe it or not, they are worth heaps, hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, a lot of people don't realise that. Even like the DOHAS loan, if you use the DOHAS loan properly, that can be worth over $300,000 in subsidies over the full length of the loan. And there's a whole heap of other stuff that you may not have thought about, may not be aware of, or if you are aware of it, you don't know how to use it properly. So we're going to talk about that. When I was full-time in the Defence Force, I was on about 100 grand salary, but at the same time, my property portfolio made me 260 grand in the same year. I want to explain that to you, how I did that, how you can set yourself up to do that as well, making more than double your salary in growth in your properties by getting all that squared away. And we're also going to talk about DVA compensation claims. Now, obviously, that's not a housing entitlement, but the hardest thing often to get a house is to get a deposit together, and you might be one DVA claim away from getting a deposit. Please come along. I want to educate you and show you all of this stuff so that you can then apply it and use it to give yourself and your family a better life. I hope to see you online. I'll see you soon. Cheers.